This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I'm coming with a new Jonny Blockchain update. Last night, I started a couple of new automations. It's not even 24 hours, and I already got some results. During this video, I want to show you the coins that I added to my list. I hope to give you some valuable information here in case you are looking for the next profitable coin. Before we go there, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you in advance for your support, and if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So, Jonny Blockchain keeps delivering. They got started not long ago, and so far, they have produced over 42,000 in passive profits. The winning rate is sitting right now in 96.7%. We got 2,652 robots currently running and 359 users so far. This is still like a hidden gem. We are only few YouTubers covering this opportunity, and we are doing it because we believe in the project. We can see the huge potential that we have inside Jonny Blockchain. This is not only a crypto trading bot that you're gonna connect to your exchange platform using API connection. They are actually the first decentralized crypto bot that we can use with PancakeSwap and Uniswap. The first crypto trading bot that we can connect to our MetaMask wallet. We connect to a smart contract. We only need USDT. The bot is going to swap the tokens, is going to trade on our behalf, is going to send back the profits to our wallet in USDT. The Binance automation is also super secure. We need to pay a yearly subscription, and the cost is only 25 USDT. With that subscription, we can run as many bots as we want. Super affordable compared to other similar bots in the market. I've been covering all of these in my previous reviews. How to get started, how to find the most profitable coins. They are giving us a list of the best pairs right here. When we click in trends, we can see the best options organized by popularity, total ROI, the ROI in the last 30 days, 7 days, 24 hours. I have different bots running already, but last night I started new automations. There is a token that I want to give it a try. That one is called FET. A lot of people have been talking about this one. It has a very nice evolution in the last year. I also saw it in other projects. They were having some interesting results using the same pair. This is from another project called FoxPay. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to put it right here. It's not even 1 day. You can see there, 28th of February, and it already produced an 18%. So there you go. FET is the first option. And the second option, I also heard about this one called Jasmine. I also started last night, and in only a few hours, we got already a 60% in gains. A lot of people is talking about this one too. Over 300% growth in the last month. Right now, with the new price of Bitcoin, any other coin, any token is gonna have a good run. What we have yesterday was amazing. It went up almost 10% in 1 day. That's why I also put another Bitcoin right here. I put 600 there, 28th of February, and we got right here a 5% increase in the last couple of hours. Another one that I added last night is this one, Agix. It's also looking really good, 16% in only a few hours. So there you go. If you're looking for new coins, you can give these ones a try. Let me know how that goes. I just want to give you this quick update because looks like the crypto world is moving fast. Hopefully you can get some value out of this. And if you have any questions, remember you can leave those down below in the comment section, or you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for sticking here till the end. I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to check my full review about Jonny Blockchain. This is definitely a game changer. Have a wonderful day. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.